yanko lawyer Kwame Adofo. Lawyer na pay mache. Say minim say wonim de ekoso fa ambulance ya ekokra efie bi atwam NDC abreso ma asem no yedi ho nkoma kopie mu e wo high court eguso ho a appeals court na ekoma asem no kwaye bibie ho na enei attorney general me hu say obe file wo Supreme Court because wantene ho ase akopie mu Supreme Court a wa file na then ebe koso
and I'm a mentor and I'm a chief for no have for you now.
What matters?
Me say Court of Appeal make a decision. That's it. One year next level, a Supreme Court. You see, I could be Supreme Court, no. Every more, maybe a friend by 0 from 6. So beyond fana no assemra. Normally, what I would do appeal court, you know. When you amount first, you say for what some tia would you ba say in the mount for good class also. Efabra na ukope they are several respondents, no. In this case, Jakpa Ato Forson and Mr. Jakpa. Omoni ebe several. Yes, almost 21 days. Says almost so I don't want to year back. And she only baby now pay court as a date. Over from you now, so be amara. And she copy now court and say, oh, you for the episode of Kahana. Normally, will be able to Debbie. Now court a date for judgment. They say, no, the money here. Difficult to predict when any say. Court no vacation on about October. Minim said this will be one of those special cases. I am panel judges before October year. And this idea, it means that the earliest we can get a date will be October. October no will not be a date for the hearing. And one day we have almost civil from 6 near day. And we are looking at around November.
That is court home DMO more administrative staff in our home DMO.
Debbie, administrative staff, they are more near okay. But to get a panel, no. Panel, no, as a judges, most of them, no. Sabi no more, only 2 to find them near day. And Diana, and yet easy to get them. And the earliest we can see will be November. So on his ruling calendar is so November, so they actually do election one. And he Masamo likely say whom is diplomacy this year. And I said about we went to me and I said about we and me and when here. The case will become foolish case. And it means whatever has to happen will depend on the election. And so,
what happened?
And the calendar man difficult to predict the outcome. Now, but who grounds of appeal?
Appeal, no,
my who grounds of appeal, no. Now, before crime, who grounds of appeal? No, my kind judgment. The kind of judgment, baby, you only party from each other. A majority, no more position. They say, Ato Forson, in the course of his work, meaning say he had authority to do what he did. There will be a friend in law. Your friend said official duty is presumed to be regularly performed. I mean, kind of say. So, Opa buying home, that's a young person of the birth certificate. That's the issue. Amawa. It is presumed say your details on your birth certificate is correct. Yes, I'm going issue now. And similarly, it's presumed say not all authority to do it.
So better.
No authority so better. But there was a problem with that thinking. And it's There will be a friend of lawyers what here capacity. And it's what that. The attack has a capacity. Essentially, it has a capacity. The essential and say uni authority to do your claim and so you know.
All those in line of your duty.
Aha, yes. You will be a kind of capacity. Capacity need teaching one and say your uni authority. Now, sir, capacity need so we raise it is not up to the person who really, you know, to prove. It is rather the opposite. You rather have to prove your capacity.
Oh.
Because they were saying there, he who accepts must prove.
Yes.
But it doesn't apply to capacity. Wow, yes, will be known as all prove. But capacity there. Opinion raises only capacity. I don't know authority. It's whether you it's a Attorney General. Our case, you know, what they did, no sir. Almost prove say
Ato Forson will need capacity.
No new authority to write. It means that Ato Forson had to then open his defense and prove say letter no train, no authority to write a letter. And when the judges know, if he say they mix it up.
Yes.
The party. Normally, you say, up to prosecution, there's some proof say and confirm letter no more train. I tell you, Ato Forson train. No need to me. But rather, maybe position is that because they got it wrong in the sense.
Yeah.
It was rather Ato Forson who had to mount the defense and call witness to prove that he wrote it with an authorization or with authority. It means I was saying, in the interest of Ato Forson parties in the interest of the established position of the law, say appeal is going to change. Is it going to change the position in any manner? Say capacity will be raised. One is to praise wow capacity no. But you know, I was urging say it has to be appealed. So that you know whether that position is correct and answer wrong. Then as all.
Me what happen?
Aha. It's been more grounds of appeal. No. I was not surprised. Not something like that is wrong.
Because we have grounds of appeal. No, one no. Or say prima facie case or say
exactly
appeals court say they could not establish that no
exactly.
Problem kakao or say the majority decision failed to give due consideration to the case of the prosecution as required by law in the determination of whether a case has been made for the accused to answer. And I
thank you. Nana, before we go further no say a criminal law. Who ya bo kwadu no you do imagine how ubetuma say me me any shika no so na say ayi da omo bo kwadu no so and so prove say case to answer na so only case to answer and then the first test and you hear Ato Forson here all they had to prove they say what without authorization it is a base. The question then is not that's I thought have a case to answer whether he had authorization or not.
Yes.
And no judges no, they got it wrong. They misunderstood that position and they went. Me Attorney General. Definitely not because of Ato Forson or anybody, but I just want to prove say the correct position of the law is not what the majority went. I don't know if you understand.
Matiwasepa. B no or say the holding by the majority on the Court of Appeal that the establishment of the letters of credit did not constitute payment under the contract is contrary to the clear evidence in the case and untenable. No A B grounds of appeal no back no C the majority's holding that Ministry of Health default caused financial loss to the state, accused in authorizing the establishment of the letters of credit, was laden with fundamental errors and occasioned a substantial miscarriage of justice.
Aha. Nana, what do you mean? Okay, minority decision now. Our Court of Appeal now. 2-1.
Yes, 2-1.
1. That's the Toku example.
Yes.
Or can say the letters of credit, the letter which was written was completely contrary to the agreement. Just say, na agreement, any signing letters, no boy, aha, say, one no kind. It is a boy, brother. Then it doesn't matter. Once something you are not allowed to do it, you now have to come. When I saw the boss, we can say, yes, you still have somebody directed you to do it. And now, we have appeal. I would say, even when you've been directed and it's wrong, you cannot claim say you did it under. And also, it's one of the grounds. Even say amount, you haven't command. You haven't say, who military?
Yes.
Not say, who war. Namako hum kola kitchen ejina ho. Now commander says shoot them. Now ukum kola kitchen. Who mu ya what you say I was acting under command. So what I say?
Yes.
And kola die you are no under any excuse to shoot and kola. It not to be treat you now shoot you mu also your mommy authority to do it. It's no ground to defend. And now here grounds of appeal. No, I'm going to say once you have committed a certain offense, you cannot say you are acting under instructions and authority.
Yeah.
One of the grounds.
Grounds now capacity no E. Or say the holding by the majority that the authorization for the letters of credit to be issued was regular and that the first appellant respondent acted in his official capacity was fraught with grave errors and occasioned a substantial miscarriage of justice.
Thank you.
A honor capacity in ewo.
You don't know. One is what you know that now, because me friend my dance for a moment be dear dance here, mammy say. Now me home to me, some year, you know. Honor majority no they got it wrong.
Or the parliamentary approval so ababeshi me no ye F.
But what I know the more moody as I'm going to says parliamentary approval. But judgment
and non come.
Hey, it wasn't hinged on that one. When the E on you see Jay Crana, a young lawyers, you ever pay the whom baby, Sa
assembly Bekwakusi. And the Yaka says Supreme Court Nasi. Na or sign a holding appeals court and common one. Let us say then see.
It may say assembly degree.
Yes, to be
or how you need Supreme Court ne
appeals
assembly degree. And na so mo no mo nya adwene a assembly back to high court na me atwa so.
I see. Yeah, now I see an opinion chechi ma odi amai efa Ato Forson case and they Attorney General say wanted to want to see how the Supreme Court. That's a power.
Yep. On
council.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,